Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check vitamin B12 level in body. To begin, understanding your body's B12 status is crucial for overall well-being. We'll explore the primary ways healthcare professionals assess B12, helping you recognize potential signs of deficiency. Knowing your levels can guide important health decisions and ensure you maintain optimal energy and nerve function. This information empowers you to take proactive steps for your health. The most common method for checking your vitamin B12 level is a simple blood test. Your doctor will order a serum B12 test, which involves a quick blood draw, usually from your arm. Sometimes, you might need to fast for 8 to 12 hours before the test to ensure accurate results. Always confirm any specific preparation instructions with your healthcare provider. Once the results are in, your doctor will help you understand what they mean for your health. After your blood test, you'll receive results indicating your B12 concentration. Generally, a normal range is considered to be between 200 and 900 picograms per milliliter. If your levels fall below 200 picograms per milliliter, it often suggests a deficiency. However, your doctor might recommend additional tests, such as a methylmalonic acid or homocysteine test, to confirm the diagnosis and determine the severity. These help provide a more complete picture of your B12 status. Common symptoms of low B12 include persistent fatigue, muscle weakness, and nerve problems like tingling or numbness. If you're diagnosed with a deficiency, your doctor might suggest dietary adjustments, such as incorporating more B12-rich foods like meat, fish, and dairy. Often, supplementation with oral tablets or injections is necessary to restore levels. Always follow your doctor's advice for treatment. And speaking of quality, if you're looking for durable socks, check the description for a link to Darn Tough, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.